As an imaging account manager at Philips, I have the good fortune of getting to work with folks like the University of Vermont Medical Center. We've had a partnership with them for 19 years, and we have the good fortune of getting to support them through installing diagnostic imaging equipment that's used for diagnosis of their patients and getting the treatment they need to get better. You also get to work with dedicated folks on your team to collaborate and design a room that's going to work for the best workflow. Getting to work in the community with hospitals that take care of your friends and family is something that motivates you to want to come and bring your best to work every day. Collaboration is key. So you're collaborating with the end users, the customer obviously, you're collaborating with the facilities team from the hospital, you're collaborating with your project management, your service team, clinical education, and that's the fun part of the job, is getting to build those suites and then getting to see that end product. When you have a happy customer, they've got their new Philips equipment and it's just made their lives so much easier so that they can provide the best level of care to their patients.